In this video I will show you two ways for restoring .back file in SSMS. 1. Using SSMS inbuilt feature. Open SSMS and right-click on Database folder. Then click on Restore Database. Then check on Device checkbox and select three dots button. Then click on Add and find the desired .back file. Double-click on .back file. Click on OK button. Click on Verify Backup Media button to check .back has no issue. It has no issue, so click on OK button. You can see restored database on your Object Explorer. 2. Using Restore command. Click on New Query and then use the following restore command. Inside single quote, use the location of your back file as shown here. Then select all and click on Execute button at the top. You can see Restore Database Successful message. Also you can see database is also restored. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.